Where'd your feather go? They're not her feathers. They're feathers saved from my bird several years ago. But she likes it. She likes playing with those feathers. Are we making a cavity nest, huh? Checking the windows. She doesn't like things totally dark like a box. She wants windows. Right? Yeah? Huh? What now? Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah, you're going to pull that down or leave it there as a hanging decoration? Can you be seen? What you doing? Woo! Uh-oh, it fell down. Shall I get it for you? Shall I get it for you? Yeah, the molting dance, huh? Yeah. You want that tissue back? See if I got another one in my pocket. How about this one? How about this one? You want that? Oh. You want it up there? You want it up there? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Whoopsie. Gravity. It fell down. Yeah. Yeah, look at those feathers and stars. Look at those feathers and stars. Hello?